Welcome students. Today we will see question bank for chapter 5 Computing and Informatics of the class TYBBSCA subject Recent Trends in IT. First question, what type of computing technology refers to services and applications that typically run on a distributed network through virtualized resources? Option A, distributed computing, B, cloud computing, C, soft computing, D, parallel computing. Answer is option B, cloud computing. Cloud computing is a computing technique in which applications are accessed by common internet protocols and networking standards. Next question. Cloud computing is a kind of abstractions which is based on the notion of combining physical resources and represents them as dash resources to users. Option A, real, B, cloud, C, virtual, D, none of the mentioned. Answer is option C, virtual. Cloud computing is a kind of new model for providing resources for applications such as staging applications, platform independent user access to services. Next question, which of the following has many features of that is now known as cloud computing? Option A, web service, B, software, C, all of the mentioned, and D, internet. Answer is option D, internet. Internet provides the abstraction, runs through the same set of protocols and standards, and uses the same operating system and applications as cloud computing. So answer is D, internet. Next question, which one of the following can be considered as a utility is a dream that dates from the beginning of the computing industry itself? Option A, computing, B, model, C, software, D, all of the mentioned. Answer is option A, computing. Cloud computing takes the technology, services and applications that are similar to those on the internet and turns them into a self-service utility. So answer is A, computing. Next question, which of the following is an essential concept related to cloud? Option A, reliability, B, abstraction, C, productivity, and D, all of the mentioned. Answer is option B, abstraction. Cloud computing hides all the details of system implementation from users and developers. So the property is abstraction. Which of the following statement is not true? Option, through cloud computing, one can begin with very small and become big in a rapid manner. B, all applications benefit from development deployment in the cloud. C, cloud computing is revolutionary even though the technology it is built on is evolutionary. And D, none of the mentioned. Answer is option B, all application benefit from deployment in the cloud. A variety of issues such issues as latency, security, regularity, compliance all are subject to concern. AWS, Amazon Web Services, is one of the most successful cloud-based business which is a type of infrastructure as a service and lets you rent virtual computer on its own infrastructure. Next question, how many phases are present in cloud computing planning? Option A, 2, B, 3, C, 4 and D, 5. Answer is option B, 3. In cloud computing planning, there are usually 3 phases that are strategy phase, planning phase and deployment phase. Next question, how many types of services are there? Those are offered by the cloud computing to the users. Option A, 2, B, 4, 3, C, D, 5. Answer is option C, 3. Usually, cloud computing offers three types of services to the users, that are platform as a service, application as a service, that is infrastructure as a service, and software as a service. These are the three types of services offered by cloud computing. Which of the following provides the graphic user interface for interaction with the cloud? Option A, client, B, client infrastructure, C, application, D, server. Answer is B, client infrastructure. The client infrastructure is one of the front-end component that provides the way of communication in the form of graphic user interface to communicate with cloud. Next question. A typical computer monitor may contain more than 6% of dash by weight. Option A, PCBs, B, cadmium, C, mercury, and D, lead. Answer is option D, lead. Next question. Dash use in small amount of bulbs to backlight flat panel computer monitors and notebook display. Option A, PVC, B, cadmium, C, mercury, and D, lead. Answer is option C, mercury. Mercury is used in small amount of bulb to backlight flat panel computer monitors and notebook displays. Next question. A fuzzy logic is an extension to the CRISP set which handles the partial truth. True or false? Answer is option A, true. Dash represents the fuzzy logic. Option A, if then rules, B, if then else rules, C, both A and B, and D, none of the above. Answer is option A, if then rules. If then rules represents the fuzzy logic. Next question. Which of the following is not the promise of an artificial neural network? Option A, it can survive the failure of some nodes. B, it can handle noise. C, it can explain the results. And D, it has inherent parallelism. Answer is option C, it can explain the result. The artificial neural network fails to explain the result. Next question. Which of the following uses wireless as the mode of communication for transferring or exchanging data between various mobile over a short range? Option A, ad hoc computing, B, mobile computing, C, Bluetooth technology, and D, none of the above. Answer is option C, Bluetooth technology. Bluetooth technology is usually used to transfer or exchange data between various mobiles over a very short range. Hence, the correct answer is Bluetooth technology. Next question. In general, a mobile computing environment can be considered as the type of dash environment. Option A, grid computing, B, mobile computing, C, distributed computing, and D, none of the above. Answer is option C, distributed computing. Mobile computing is referred to as human-computer interaction in which computer is required to be transported during general uses. It involves mobile hardware, mobile software, and mobile communication. It also allows transmission of information or data, audio and video calls, etc. Generally, the mobile computing environment is also considered as a type of distributed computing environment. Next question. Which of the following uses wireless as the mode of communication for transferring or exchanging data between various mobile over a short range? Option A, ad hoc computing, B. Mobile computing, C. Bluetooth technology, and D. None of the above. Answer is option C. Bluetooth technology is usually used to transfer or exchange data between the various mobiles over a very short range of period. Next question, mobile computing allows transmission of data from one wireless network into device to another. Option A, any device, B, wire device, C, wireless enabled device, and D, or one of the above. Answer is option C, wireless enabled device. Mobile computing allows the transmission of information between one wireless enabled device to another wireless enabled device. Next question, which of the following can be considered as the drawbacks of mobile and wireless devices? So option A, smaller keypad, B, consumes power rapidly, C, requires a big power source, and D, all of the above. Answer is option D, all of the above. There are numerous advantages of mobile and wireless devices, but they have some drawbacks as well. There are some of the common disadvantages of mobile for almost all users, such as mobile needing a faster source because they drain the battery much faster, and sometimes they have similar keypad as the another major issue. Next question, which of the following is a fundamental principle of wireless communication? Option A, electromagnetic waves, B, microwaves, C, both A and B, and D, none of the above. Answer is option A, electromagnetic waves. Fundamental principle of wireless communication is electromagnetic waves, as we can transfer the information using electromagnetic waves between two or more points that do not use any electronic conductor as the medium as the means of transfer. Thank you.